passenger seat. And today we are at Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. It's our first time ever at this private island. This is Disney's newest private island. Hold on, Ray is about to get run over by a tram. Hold on. All right, he's back and safe now. This is our first time ever at Disney's Lookout Cay. We're gonna go explore. We're gonna take you with us. It's day 3 on the Melanin at Sea group cruise. Today's theme is Ohana on the island. And it's time to go Ohana on the island. Let's go. If by chance you decide you want a little water, you got a little water station on the wall. And a spot to take a break. The Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. Ready, Boots? Let's go to the island. So as soon as you cross over into the island, there's an area where you can do your check-in if you chartered a boat. You also got the Mangroves and Go, which I believe is a bar. It looks like a bar. And you got a little island stand where you can buy some island goodies. And there's also a directory over there if you like us and don't know where you're going. Giggle, giggle, giggle.
You should have recorded.
I did. We got off the shuttle just in time to catch some of the Junkanoo parade. So we're gonna catch some of that. And we're gonna go grab lunch. Hey y'all! And we're gonna go grab lunch.
That's the truth, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, for our first stop is going to be True Barbecue for an island inspired lunch.
Buffet is set up by food stations, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. We'll share our full review later, but I was just excited the food was seasoned, y'all. The flies were definitely out though, so definitely be prepared for that. All right, so we just had lunch. It was way too noisy and too crowded to be trying to record it.
I'm going to make a wave sound, guys. Rah. Rah. Last time I saw waves like that, I got rolled over everywhere. And Mom kept on laughing.
So where do we just come from?
True barbecue.
True barbecue. What'd you think of it?
I think it was magically delicious.
It was seasoned, y'all. The food was seasoned.
It was better than yesterday.
Seasoned way better than yesterday. Now we're going to go find some space on the family beach because it's time to just chill out and enjoy some beach time. So let's do it.
Family.
The best thing at that True barbecue, True barbecue, I think, was the red snapper and the ribs. So good. Family chilling here on the family beach. RJ and I got in the water. The waves are crazy. And them waves done ran off with my good sunglasses, y'all. My good sunglasses. That's prescription sunglasses, okay? My good sunglasses. The water done ran off with them. Rest in peace, glasses. But anyway, we've been on a family beach. There is a Serenity Beach, which is an adults only beach as well. So if you want more of a adults only experience, you can't get that here. But we're on a family beach. Let me tell y'all, the food was really good. That food was seasoned, and I'm always happy when the food is seasoned. It was well cooked, the ribs were good, the fish was really good. I mean, everything was pretty tasty, but I especially like the ribs and the fish. I was down there playing in the waves with RJ. Now Ray is down there playing in the waves with RJ and getting some footage and stuff. But we got about another hour and a half to hang out. And then we're going to go take some group pictures with everybody. And then we're going to call it a day. I know this has probably been pretty quick for y'all because we did not get a lot of footage. But we've really been trying to enjoy our day here today. You survived. You alright? What's the matter? You okay? What's wrong with him? RJ, what's wrong with your daddy? Huh?
One of them last big waves hit me. And it was probably a rock in the sand. The water probably that big.
Are you bleeding?
I kicked it and stepped on it with both feet.
Oh God.
I hit it with my ankle.
Are you okay?
It hurt. Everything hurt.
Aw.
I was gonna have
So-
falls. I could have hit my head.
Basically, Ray got injured. It seems. I was so surprised. Let me go check on my husband, y'all. What did you just say to your wife?
If that camera didn't cost so much, I'd knock that camera out your head.
Why would you do such a thing?
God, every time something go on, you have zero remorse. Zero.
And when something goes on with you, we have a lot of remorse. You know what? Starting today.
What's remorse?
No remorse. Okay, Dad?
I have remorse. I have care. I have concern. I just was commenting, don't you do it. Go on with all that saying. I just was commenting on the fact that I was surprised. Stop, it's blowing on me. That I was surprised that you got hurt. That's all.
You surprised? No, your voice did not seem like you were surprised.
Yeah.
But that's what my voice,
Anticipate.
what my voice said. I was surprised. Don't you do it.
Actions speak louder than words. In this case,
Sandy
tone
hands.
of voice speak louder than
Do
words.
it to me. So we're getting ready to leave, and I'm realizing there is more seating back here on the Family Beach area. It's just not right on the beach. So we were in the seating that's down there, like actually at the water. There's more seating back here if you don't feel the need to be at the water. And there's a cute little play area over here for the small kiddos. Little water slide and stuff. Oh, there's a smoothie shop over here. Sensational smoothies. We got the watering hole bar if you get a little thirsty. And there's some seating out here around this kids play area as well. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but today's theme was Ohana on the Island. We're supposed to be in our Hawaiian style swimwear. So Ray is rocking the sort of Hawaii print
Sort of.
shorts.
This is Hawaiian all the way.
I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Thank you very much.
My bad.
Don't you know?
I didn't mean to disrespect you.
Don't you know?
Okay. Now you gotta
Sort
show
of.
me.
That's what Kiki got on. Good steal.
Ohana inspired swimwear. I got the swim pants here. They really just like some linen pants. And then I got this swimsuit that's sort of a, what do we call that?
Onesie.
Ombre effect to the swimwear.
It's a onesie ombre.
Onesie ombre. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, let me encourage you to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't miss a thing. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that we have on the way. And if you want a little bit something more, consider joining our channel membership where you will get access to behind the scenes, all kinds of special members only content, and first notice of when we are traveling. And lastly, if you need someone to help you plan your next cruise vacation or your next all-inclusive vacation, come on, reach out. Booking at teamreasetravels.com. Booking at teamreasetravels.com. We'll help you out. We'll get you going. We want to see you on these high seas. Let's get back to the video. Take a look at one of the Lookout Cay shops. We got lots of swimwear, beach towels. Oh, that is cute. That's a real cute swimsuit. Oh, look at the Lookout Cay ears. How cute. So cute. If you need sunscreen, they have it here for you. Pull-ups, little swimmer diapers. Ready to go? Okay. And we are about to catch the tram back to the ship. Look, y'all, I just want to say Disney is not playing about these safe trams because these trams got real doors on them. Most of the trams you get on don't be having real doors like that.
Yeah. Disney safety go crazy. You see these? They're actually metal.
Did it work? I don't know if it's, oh yeah, it is.
Everything's actually metal.
That means our glasses probably stick to those too. We are ending our day here on the island. We're getting ready to take one group shot and then we'll go back to the ship. Back at our room and we got more pixie dust, you guys. This little fish extender has just been filling up here. I love it. All right, guys, this is the shot from the ship looking at Lookout Cay. Y'all weren't lying about how long that walk is. Like, it's looking real like 8094. Shout out to my Indiana, Chicago people. It looked like 8094. I'm just saying. But look how gorgeous it is today. All right, you guys. And we are back on board, and it is pirate night. We have on our pirate night looks. We're getting ready to go get some pirate night photos, and then we're gonna go to dinner. There's fireworks tonight. There's, what else tonight? There's a bar crawl tonight with Melanin at Sea Group. There's all kind of stuff going on, so it's gonna be a busy night. We're gonna get into it. On our way to dinner, we're passing D Lounge, where you'll find everything from trivia to family games throughout the cruise. You can even do karaoke here. Next is Cares Jewels if you're looking for a little bit of shopping, and right across the way is Shutters, where you can view and purchase your cruise photos. So Ray and RJ are rocking their custom R pirate shirts. R. Is that Ray? Is that R as in Ray, or R as in Reese, or R as in R?
It's R as in Raymel and Raymel Jr.
That's right. RJ got the custom R shirt going on too for Pirate Night. And we will have the Pirate Night dinner tonight, and hopefully a show too. So my meal just came. I have the strip steak. Mine looks so much different from yours, are they? All right. It came with some scallops as well. I also was not expecting it to be as red as it is.
Really?
It's a lot more pink than I thought it was gonna be.
It's not looking like your husband.
It's not at all. Not at all. Promised we'd introduce you to our table mates, so meet Joy, Rick, and Caleb. One of the best parts of cruising is the people you meet, and it was so fun getting to know them over the week. Y'all, first time we have actually stayed awake for the pirate show. Pirate Night is one of the most popular events of the cruise, so if you want a good view, plan to get there a little early because it gets crowded fast. We thought we had found the perfect spot, but a crew member recommended we move since we wouldn't be able to see the fireworks from where we were standing. We're really glad we listened because we ended up with a great view of the stage show and the fireworks. So many people look forward to seeing Captain Jack Sparrow on stage. Disney Cruise Line is the only major cruise line that regularly puts on fireworks at sea. It's such a fun experience with everyone dressed up in their pirate gear.
fair wind to you. And remember, dead men tell no tales.
We are back in the room, in the cabin. It is the end of the night. Let me tell you, we have had pirate night dinner. We have had the pirate night show. We got the fireworks. We did the bar crawl, a little bit of the bar crawl with the Melanin Sea crew. And I'm out of it, y'all. It's time to go to bed. It's time for me to take all that off. I came out that corset many eons ago because it was too much. But it's time to go to bed, right? How you feeling, son?
Ah!
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
He's got energy for days, I guess.
Look,
Round 17.
We also dropped off all of our...
Okay, man.
There's RJ. He's over there in his section. We dropped off all of our fish extender gifts. So everyone has those now. And tomorrow, we will let RJ show you all the things that he got for fish extender gifts. So it's time to take all this stuff off. It's time to de-pirate and go to bed. Good night, y'all. I love y'all. Until next time, Team Reese all day. Bye, y'all.